So with that, we're going to go into our Chamber Awards. The nominees for Business of the Year, New Business of the Year, and Citizen of the Year the narratives are in your programs, but I just realized that the Citizen of the Year is not in there, but we do have it in a box, so we'll get that for you. I can email it to you. It is here. So, okay, our nominees for Established Business of the Year are Whole Family Eye Care, Destination Kitchen, Ingalls Sales and Service, Dawn's Floor Covering, and Norton Glass. So when we announce the winner, if you could come forward, we would appreciate that. Okay, the winner of the year goes to Ingalls Sales and Service. This family-owned and operated automotive business has been a staple in the Norton community for over 20 years. They not only carry a large selection of Napa parts and outdoor equipment, but also offer used cars and trucks and garden supplies. You can count on getting the best in service with local pride and big city selection when you shop with Ingalls. Congratulations.